We carry a very large range of additives and fertilisers for gardeners, including all-purpose plant foods through to dedicated feeds for acidic-loving plants. Our specialist team at lovegardening.com have assembled the best quality and type of fertilisers and plant food to ensure you get the best possible results from your plants, fruits and vegetables. Are you looking to grow the best ever tomatoes? Why not try our exclusive plant potion? It is 100% organic and scientifically developed to increase shoot activity, so the results are spectacular. We also carry many of the conventional foods to promote healthy growth and build stronger root growth. New for this season is Guernsey Seaweed Fertiliser, guaranteed to be 100% natural, and it's dried by the sun, making it very eco-friendly. Adding seaweed mulch to plant beds limits the sunlight available to weeds, much like any mulch. However, the sharp edges of dried seaweed combined with the trace elements of the salt is a highly effective detergent to slugs and snails. So, as you can see, our lovegardening.com experts have assembled a superb range of fertilisers for getting the best from your garden. Just check out our website to see our full range.